Pag malapit na dumating yung train guys, yung mga stall na yan, titiklopin nila yan lahat guys. Ayan na guys! Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Maeklong Railway Market. So magmula sa floating market papunta dito guys, 30 minutes yung naging biyahe namin.
For 1 hour with air conditions if you want to. Okay, now moment we're gonna cross in the same time. Can remember the way?
Yeah.
Can remember the way, huh? Okay, let's go.
Wow, dito na tayo guys. Eto na siya.
Okay, this way. The train will come from that way to 30. Yeah, and stop there for 1 hour. You can take a photo with the train. And 3:30 gonna depart. See you at the bus 3:45. Everybody know the way to go back there, huh? Okay, you can check on the floor. You have the red line. The red line on the floor. You must to behind red line. Okay? So if you want a restaurant, it's good, air condition, free Wi-Fi, free toilet is fun. Yeah, without air condition, not fun. Mango sticky rice this shop is nice. A souvenir we have made it. Yeah, at a coffee shop also over there have it. Yeah, you can walk around. Okay, free time for you. See you 3:45 at the bus. Enjoy.
Hapon ka. So guys, sabi ni Cherry, dadating daw yung train ng 2:30 dito sa side na to. Ayan, dadating dyan yung train. Pag dumating yung train ng 2:30, pwede kaming magpa-picture dun sa loob ng train tsaka dun sa labas niya. Ayan. Pag malapit na dumating yung train guys, yung mga stall na yan, titiklopin nila yan lahat guys. And guys, itong red line na yan, so pagkaparating na yung train, dito kayo pupunta sa loob ng red line. So 10 minutes na lang guys, parating na yung train. Try natin. Ayan na guys! So guys, magpa-picture muna tayo sa train. Yan. Picture muna tayo dito. Guys, may 45 minutes pa kami para maglibot dito sa Maiklong Train Market. Nasabi sa amin ni Cherry, kung sakaling nagutom kayo, gusto nyo kumain, isa to sa magandang kainan dito. Yan, ito yung tsura ng labas niya. Dami din kumakain guys eh. Oh. Gutom na yung mama ko guys. Daming tao guys oh. Kain tayo guys. Ito yung order ng mama ko. Mango sticky rice. Hindi siya nagsasawa guys. Magmula first day namin hanggang ngayon, puro mango sticky rice ang kinakain. Ito naman sa akin guys. Order ako ng mango smoothie. Parating na yung train guys. Tiklop na sila oh. May tiklop na uli nila guys. Pabalik na uli yung train. Yan na siya guys. Yan, bubuksan na uli nila. Okay guys, tapos na ang train market tour natin. Pabalik na uli kami sa bus. Yun lang guys, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa train market tour na to. Kakaibang experience. So dapat guys, itry nyo talaga to. End ko na tong vlog na to guys. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Marvin Andes Vlog.